Hi everyone, we are in DCS World F-16C Viper, and this video is about cockpit familiarization. This second part of the tutorial, we will see the front side of the cockpit. So let's get started. First of all, we have the fuel flow indicator telling us the fuel consumed per hour at any stage. Towards the left, we have the standby attitude indicator. Above that, we have the data entry display or the DED. It has three set of rows. The first row is telling the UHF frequency and the navigation steer point presently selected. The second row tells us the VHF frequency and the current time. The third row gives us information about the IFF and the TechN channel and the band. On top of that, we have the nose wheel steering and air refuel display. Moving on to the left, we have the head-up display or the HUD. Generically speaking, the speed is indicated onto the left side, the height is indicated onto the right side. The heading is indicated onto the top with the flight path marker, and the attitude or bars towards the dive, they are in a dashed pattern, and towards above the horizon they are the continuous line. In the bottom we have the roll indicator. Towards the right bottom we have the radar altimeter height, the altitude low settings as per fed into the DED, the distance to the selected station, and what is the current steer point. Towards the left bottom we have nav written, indicated that right now nav master mode is being selected. On top of speed scale 1.0 indicate the current G's of the aircraft. Below the head-up display we have the upfront control or UFCP. Our detailed tutorial on the UFCP will be done in a few days. Moving down towards the right side we have the altimeter. The QNH is displayed into a small window onto the right side, and it's a conventional altimeter. Towards left we have the speed or airspeed indicator. The indicated airspeed is shown by the needle, and the small window within the scale tells us about the Mach number. In the second row center is conventional electronic ATI or the attitude indicator. The black knob towards the right bottom is used to set the position of the miniature aircraft. Towards the bottom, the slip and skid indication is also available. Towards the left of this attitude indicator, we have the angle of attack indicator, and towards the right, its vertical speed indicator. In the bottom row middle side, we have the HSI. The compass card gives us the direction in a 360 degrees. Towards the top right side, the selected course is being displayed, and towards the top left side, the distance to the station is being displayed. Two knobs are located onto the bottom of this indicator. The left knob can be rotated to change the position of the bug along the compass card. The right knob can be rotated to change the course for the desired radial or the inbound interceptions. In the middle, the M button is used to change the mode. By default, it is a nav mode. Pressing it once will change it to PLS nav mode or the navigation plus ILS mode. Pressing it again will put this indicator into a TACAN mode, and pressing it again will put it to TACAN and ILS mode. Pressing it again will bring it back to the navigation mode. Towards the right we have fuel quantity selector knob. The test position is used to check the serviceability of the system. The normal is the default position. Moving it to reservoir, the quantity of the reservoir tanks will be shown on the fuel quantity indicator. The next position is used to check the quantity of the internal wing fuels, then the external wing fuels, and then the external centerline fuel. A switch located below that is used to alter the sequencing of the fuel consumption. In the normal sequence, the centerline tank fuel will be consumed first, followed by the wing tanks. Moving the switch to the down position, the wing tank fuel will be consumed first, followed by the centerline, and followed by the entire internal tanks. Towards the left top, we have the threat warning display and its control panel. And below that, this is the left MFD. The operation of left and right MFD are exactly same, and a dedicated tutorial on the functional and operation of the multifunction displays will be done in a few days. I hope that helped. Stay tuned. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.